I'm a lifelong member of this parish. St. Suzanne's Our Lady Gate of Heaven, born and raised here, went to school here, baptized here, and for the last 5 or 6 years have served as the director of a community resource center that we operate, the St. Suzanne's Cody Rouge Community Resource Center. This is a neighborhood in Detroit that has been impacted over the last several years by massive flooding on a number of occasions, many power outages lasting lengthy several days at a time, really all driven by poor infrastructure, and driven further by a lack of a strong educational base about what we as a community can do to impact that. When we created this resource center, we really had it in our mind that we would give folks in this neighborhood a chance to really be uplifted, not just by the services, but by the setting. So imagine if a community center such as here can have a resilient power source. It can have backup storage power from solar. And when there is an outage, that we can be, first of all, on just a practical level, a cooling center or a warming center or a place where neighbors can come and charge their smartphones. But on the other hand, where folks can see that and experience it and say, oh, there is a different way. There doesn't have to be just this concern that there goes our power out again and how many days until we're going to hear its return. So it's one thing to be able to go and advocate for particular policy. It's another thing to go and advocate for that policy and say, well, at the same time that we're advocating for some change, reduce water rates, water equity, clean energy affordability, electric vehicle infrastructure in neighborhoods such as this, we are doing all the practical things that we can do with the resources that we have. We're not just saying, please do something in this neighborhood. We're building rain gardens, we're building the infrastructure, we're receiving additional funding to be able to have clean energy instruments in our facilities here. Now we need to do more together.